Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another review for you, and this time is a hair review. Now I got this hair from AliExpress, and this set cost about $36. So it's a 3 hair bundle with a closure. So this hair claims is 80% human hair and 20% synthetic. So it's kind of a mixed hair. It is 20 inches each for the bundle, and the closure is an 18-inch. So as you can see, the closure has baby hair. It is okay. And if you look at the hair, obviously it's not very human. You can see it's got, some synthetic texture in there. And this is a 20-inch bundle. As you can see, the ends are not so thin, so it's okay. And I must say it does shed a little bit. So as you can see, the closure weighs about 29 grams. They claim the bundles are 70 grams each, but as you can see, is around 69 grams. At a first glance, I must say this hair looks okay. It is soft and it feels, a little bit natural. So I'm going to make it into a wig, and we're going to try this. So I made it into a wig. So I'll try and part it and fix it a little bit. I must say it's got some gray hairs in there, which is not so cool. I'll come in with a little bit of a leave-in conditioner, and I'll spray some water onto it. As you can see, it is shedding. I must confess, this hair kind of sheds quite a lot, but hey, it's okay for the price. So as you can see, this is what we have here, and I must say it's not bad at all. It's manageable. If you want to save some cash, you can try this. It's quite full, and the 3 bundles and a closure is enough for a natural look. I must say, for the first 2 weeks this hair is okay, but as time goes on, it kind of hardens up a little bit, and you can't really get it to lay because it's got some synthetic hair in it, and as you know, it's not natural, so it's very difficult to get it to really lay. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give this hair a 6. I don't really think I'll get this again though. Now I must say, you can flat iron, you can use heat on it, but it'll have to be below 120 degrees Celsius. If you go too high, you are going to burn the hair, or let's say you're going to melt the hair. So this is it. I'll leave the link in the description box if you want to check it out, if you don't want to spend so much money. But if you want to slay, this is okay. It's not going to last forever, but you can manage it for some months. If you make it into a ponytail, this is how it looks. As it gets old, it starts to look very puffy. Even if you moisturize it and all that, it still looks a little bit puffy. I must confess, I don't really think this is 80% human hair and 20% synthetic hair. I think it's more of a 50-50 because I can see so much of the synthetic features in this hair. Okay guys, so that is it. I hope you like this video. What do you think? Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to share this with family and friends. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.